Tonight on It's the Law, we're talking about a topic that comes up a lot across the Peach State: prayer in schools. Last week, we told you about a group of Bullock County teachers, who want to be able to pray with students who choose to do so. Jay Davis is here to weigh in on the issue. All right, Jay, let's refresh people. So these teachers go to this school board meeting, and the Bullock County School Board says it's just following the law by not allowing them to pray with students who want to. So for everyone at home, let's refresh them. What does Georgia law say?
Well, there's probably a policy for the Board of Education to restrict some of the religious overtones that are in school systems. I don't think anybody wants their children being indoctrinated by a teacher that they don't know or they don't submit to in some sort of religious fashion, whether it's Baptist or Mormon or Catholic or any other type of thing, Buddhist or other type of thing like that. But the law in Georgia is always going to be the Constitution. The Constitution is going to override, and the Constitution gives a very narrow window on this subject. And the Congress shall pass no law respecting the establishment of a religion, which means you can't respect Christianity, you can't respect the Catholic Church. We're not a country that's designed with power given by the Pope, which is like Spain and other countries with kings and that kind of stuff. But the next line in the next line in that, nor prohibiting the freedom thereof. So no matter what Georgia does, they can't prohibit your right to exercise your religion. And that includes you as a school teacher.
All right.
But so you're going to balance the choice between the child not being indoctrinated and a school teacher or the child himself exercising their right to religion.
So it's kind of a confusing
It's a little bit, but it's so narrow in the Constitution because you have the right not to on one end and the right to on the other. It's so narrow. Georgia's laws are not, the Board of Education has overstepped because they have stepped on the teacher's rights. They have started prohibiting the free exercise of her religion and the child when this is free. Now, if it was a mandatory prayer, it's everybody coming together, you can, put your fingers in your ears if you want to, but you're going to hear this prayer, they're not going to be able to do. But if it's a child willing to and a teacher willing to, they should. This is overreaching. I know there's some issues with the email and that type of thing.
Yeah.
If they're going to allow a quote from Einstein in the email, they need to also allow a biblical quote or that type of thing.
All right, Jay, well, you answered all the questions. It's the Law Weekend Edition. Tell us quickly what's coming up on that.
This weekend on It's the Law, Sunday at 6.
Yep.
You'll tell the other time. We're talking about Christmas, how it got to be a federal holiday. We're going over some of these same issues right here. Why does something that's a Christian holiday, how did that get incorporated into our federal government and our holiday system?
All right, Jay, thank you. And don't forget, if you've got a legal question for Jay, you can email us at itsthelaw@41nbc.com, and we'll answer it right here on the news at 6.